Hello everyone and welcome. This is the third installment of our Tangential EVOline Training video series focused on mounting and programming. Today we will discuss how to install a Tangential EVOline rolling head and write a thread rolling CNC program. Tangential EVOline systems are typically mounted to CNC turrets or cross slides. This is done via a custom tool holder, round shank, VDI, or Coromant Capto adapted holder. Tangential EVOline attachments must be mounted perpendicular to the workpiece. Special tool holders locate with pins, surfaces, and keys on the turret to ensure alignment. Round shanks fit into round shank holders and have flats for set screws to align the tool properly. Capto and VDI interfaces ensure alignment by design and are stable and repeatable. Here you can see a demonstration of checking alignment with an indicator. The next step involves teaching the tool where the center line of the workpiece is, also known as X0. First, place the setting gauge on the holder's axis. Then touch the blank diameter with the leading edge of the setting gauge. This is the X0 position for this tool, which will ensure the center of the rolls reach the center line of the workpiece, but no further. Here you can see a demonstration of setting X0 for the tangential process. Measuring tool length is necessary for safety and proper function of this tool. Remove the holder's axis and insert the attachment with the thin arm facing the spindle. Reinsert the axis and touch off on the leading face of the attachment. Make sure the holder's quick release axis is locked in place. It should not rotate once it is locked. In this demonstration, the tool's length is measured using a probe to touch the face of the rolling system. These steps provide an overview for the programming procedure for Tangential EVOline systems. Approach in Z, then to an X coordinate where contact is avoided. Then feed to X0 and optionally dwell for 2 to 5 revolutions at the center line. Lastly, the tool is extracted in X at rapid and then returns to a home position. This slide verbalizes much of the programming considerations. Initial conditions are established at the beginning of the program. This includes things like tool number, work offset, feed rate, surface speed control, spindle direction, and coolant on commands. Spindle direction is unimportant for tangential applications. Spindle speed is chosen from the setup manual, pages 89 and 90. Feed rate is calculated depending on material, thread length, pitch, and rolling head size. A dwell at the center line may be helpful in certain applications, but it is not necessary. Once complete, retract, and the head is ready to roll again. No resets required. First, we must look up a rolling speed in the catalog or setup manual. Calculate your recommended RPM based on diameter and rolling speed. Then, look up the number of working revolutions in the setup manual. Look to your setting gauge for the value AV. Calculate feed rate by multiplying AV by RPM and dividing the result by the number of working revolutions. This video shows a 3/4 inch long, 1/2 inch by 13 UNC thread being rolled with a T3 Tangential EVOline rolling system. This concludes the third and final installment of this LMT Tools Tangential EVOline video series. You should now be equipped to make your first parts. Thank you for watching.